looking forward for today's Eurogroup meeting. We will start our meeting in inclusive format by meeting UK Chancellor Reeves, which give us occasion to discuss EU-UK relations, also in a current geopolitical context where it's clear that EU and UK are like-minded partners, and we must cooperate closely to preserve rules-based international order, also in context of supporting Ukraine. And in general, I think it's a timely exchange of views, also how to address our shared challenges like strengthening the competitiveness of our economies.
Begin our work.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. How are you? I'm good. Very good. I hope you're looking forward to the day.